Hey guys, welcome to Hour of Code. So I'm going to introduce you to what Hour of Code is and then what you're actually going to be doing. It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so first thing is you will need to get on a web browser. You can use Safari, you can use Firefox, or you can use Chrome. Chrome is my personal favorite, so that's what I'm going to go with. Okay, so open Chrome or another browser. I know Safari's at your screen. And then you're going to type in code period or .org, O-R-G, code.org. Okay. All right. So when you get to this site, there is an option to log in, but we don't need to worry about that. We're going to scroll down to where it says Hour of Code. Okay, click on Hour of Code. And over here, there's a video. It says watch the video. So this video, I'm going to let you watch it at your own pace on your computer with your headphones. This introduces the whole code movement and all about what kids can do with coding and why it's important for kids to learn how to code. So just so you know, coding is basically just basic programming of a computer or an iPad. But learning how, if you give a command, you tell something, a program to do this, then this happens. So it's if-then kind of actions and results. So once you've watched the video, you'll click on Start. Now you have a choice. You get to decide which activity you want to do. You can start with Star Wars. You can do Minecraft coding. You can do Frozen coding. There's a maze game, making your own Flappy game like Angry Birds. Actually, it's different than Angry Birds. Then there's Infinity Play Lab. Okay, so you can look through all of the choices here. And any of these different themes will walk you through lessons that teach you coding while you're playing a game. Down here on this same page, you see other websites that you can go to in your own time. And then these are some great apps that you can use on the iPads, like if you go to Makerspace or if you want to download them on your own devices. Most of these are free, if not all of them. Okay, so there's an introduction to a few things on this page, but what I really want you to focus on is this row up here, these top choices, because these are fun. You're going to have fun playing these games. So you just click go on the one you're interested in. I want you to start with blocks first, and then it will move you into JavaScript. JavaScript almost looks like the computer code, the actual, commands and words and slashes and periods and colons and all the little things that computer scientists have to know about. But start with blocks, all right? And it will get harder as you progress. As you show your knowledge and skills and your ability, then the computer is going to step it up and make it more challenging for you as you go. So it's taking a little while to load, probably because there are so many kids around the world using this website. As internationally, all over the world, kids are involved in Hour of Code this week. Okay, I'm going to hit enter and try to get it to load again. It says it is waiting. Still waiting. It says reset. Let's refresh and see what happens. We may have to go back. Okay, let's try again. Try now. Here we go. All right. So you'll see your progress at the top here as you go through all the lessons. And something I want to point out, okay, so great. This is a great introduction video. Each different theme has one. Someone involved in the making of the movie in this case, or the game, or that TV show is interviewed on these videos. So I definitely want you to watch the video. It'll teach you the basics of what you're about to do in that game. I'm going to X out. Here's your first puzzle. This is what you need to do. Okay, it's going to walk you through each step and how you move along. I want you to notice that after you complete a command, you can click on to see the JavaScript code. So I'm going to say, even up here it says show code. So right now in this basic level, you're just clicking and you're dragging the commands over. Okay. But if you want to get a little more technical, you can click on Show Code, and it's going to tell you what is the actual computer language for that action. So that's pretty cool. So Although this is very kid-friendly here so that you can learn how to line up a bunch of commands in order and make your little character do what you say. The showing the code behind what you're doing is pretty cool to learn also. All right, so there's my introduction. I want you to get in there, go to code.org, click on Hour of Code, choose your theme or your characters, and then watch the video, listen to what they're teaching you, and then explore, problem solve, try it out, and I hope that you have fun. Thanks.